believe you are now clear on what is sales and marketing in my previous lecture. Now, I'm going to explain you on what is online sales marketing and why it is important for your business. We knew that 94% of the total consumers research for the products online before buying it. Feel like you're one of them, right? Cool. So we are very clear that buyers research online for their product before buying it. Obviously, business people who have their own website will be more benefited and get more buyers when promoting their products online. Let me explain you more clearly on how this is going to work for you in increasing your sales. I would like to explain the core advantages of online marketing first. The first reason would be the opportunity for advertising. When it comes to online marketing, you will have enormous opportunity for advertising, which will naturally bring endorsing customers to your business website. As advertising is the best way to talk with your buyers, I would suggest you to market your product with online marketing strategy. The next important reason is easy product research. When it comes to online sales marketing, people will feel it easier to find and buy their exact required products by simply typing the keyword of the product in search engine. See how simple it would be just to type the keyword and clicking the search button, isn't it? So that is how online marketing is easy and simple for the customers. I'm also going to show you a live customer traffic generation system through online sales in this course for you. The third best reason in online marketing is they are cheaper. Yes, when compared to the other method of marketing, sales on the internet will cost less. I know you're really excited to hear this. You will also have hundreds of targeted ripened customers for your sales business website if you're marketing your product online in the right format. The fourth reason why online sales marketing is important is that it's speed. When you market your products over the internet, you can see the results in just few hours. You will be able to earn money or make much profit within just few months or even in just a week. So just keep calm, relax and learn my online sales system by watching the course completely. You are going to reach people all over the world through internet for any kind of business you have. You can start making profit even from the first month if you are going to follow my blueprint that I am teaching in this course. Let us move on to the next lecture.